You know, over the years I've had many clients who've had accidents, and before they reach out to an attorney, they've been contacted by the insurance company who represents the responsible party. In many cases, they've been offered $500, $800, $900, $1,200 to settle, and people really have to be very careful that they not sign any release until they understand the full extent of their injury. Now, bear in mind that that is very much contrary to the insurance company's interest. The insurance company is very much in favor of the injured party signing away their case before they fully know the extent of what's happened to them. And I can illustrate that for you with a quick story. I once had a young lady who came to me and asked me to represent her. She'd been hit. She came to my office and explained that she had a fracture in her neck. She had a fractured spinous process. The spinous process is the little bony protuberance in the back of the neck. It sounds like a very, this type of a fracture is not a threat to the nerves. The nerves are located in a different area of the neck. But in any event, she had this very painful injury. She asked me to help her. We got started with the case. And the insurance company immediately got back to me and said, "What are you doing in the case?" And I said, "I'm representing this person." And they said to me, "But she has signed a release. We gave her $900, and she let go of her case." And I said, "Really? Send me a copy." So they did, and sure enough, she had signed away her case before she really appreciated everything that she had been through. And there was nothing I could do to help her at that point. There are certain time limits that apply, but those time limits had passed, and there was nothing I could do. And I had to tell her that, unfortunately, she had given her case away for $900. And this illustrates the principle involved. The insurance company, who has an adverse interest, was in a hurry and wanted my client to sign away her rights. She did. That certainly satisfied every goal and purpose that the insurance company had in reaching out to her. She was now gone from their books. Her case was closed. She's no longer a liability of that company. It's over. And on her side of it, before she knew what she had done, before she knew how bad she was hurt, she'd given the case away. And so that was a case where, unfortunately, we couldn't help her. And the bottom line was that she was undercompensated by far for her injuries, much to her disappointment.